guys, welcome back to the channel. I am MoneyMarrowTech. Today in front of us we have the brand new Sony WH-1000XM6. From now on, throughout the whole video, I'm just going to refer to these headphones as M6. These are the newest king on the block for noise cancellation headphones. All right, the M6 is taking over from the M5 processor as an M4. Them headphones was amazing and they did a really good job. I feel like the M5, they went a little bit backwards with some of the design stuff. The M4 was a good headphone, but they went backwards a little bit with the M5. But hopefully this right here, they fixed it. This is bringing a whole different processor, more microphones, about similar battery life and stuff, 3 hour charge time. Still rocking Bluetooth 5.3 and stuff. Still have multi-point connection and stuff, but hopefully they did a little more proven stuff and brought back some of the old features for the M4, but still keeping some of that newer feature with the M5 in mind, okay? Real quick, price on this bad boy is $450. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in black, blue, and silver. All right, so real quick, let's go ahead and do it in a quick unboxing. If it's the first time on my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's begin. All right, first thing right here, I got this little booklet right here. Like it's attached. All right, so here's your manual. All right, so first impression off the case. The case look nice. Got this nice little strap right here, so you probably put this on a D-ring, attach to your backpack or something to carry with. Okay, like that. The material feel really nice. Okay. Okay. All right. Ooh. Okay. So right here on the side here, they got a magnet case attachment, so see how strong that is, barely lifting it up, and we put, okay, so nice right there, a little stronger magnet for the case. Okay, the material inside of the case, nice and soft. Okay, all right, really good. All right, here's your headphones. Before you get to that, here's your charging cables right here. So you got type C, the type A charging cable. Got your headphone jack, so if you still want to go old school with it, you can keep it there. And I like how they have this pocket right here, so you know you can keep it here stored. So if you want to have it here, you can. I like that part right there. And then the main feature itself, the headphones. All right, and real quick, I like how they have the cutouts for the headphones. You get the labels right, left earbud right here. And I like how they have these imprint for your headphones. So when you put it in here, they sit in here just like so, and cut out. And look at that. This literally just easily close, really simple to go. I like that a lot. All right, but the case design, definitely 10 out of 10. Like that a lot. Perfect on that. All right. So here it is. So they did bring back the faux design. I like that a lot. The swivel, okay. So some people like put it on their neck, when they leave on their necks, put it on there like this, okay. Cool beans. All right. Test the materials on the earbuds. Sorry, on the earmuff. Nice and soft. Okay, nice and soft. The headband. Okay, nice and soft and firm. So definitely got that really good built material on there. All right. Adjustable right there. Okay. All right, so you got the bottom here. You got your noise cancellation, power button, microphone jack, sorry, headphone jack, type C charging cable, and then all your microphones. So this is supposed to have 12 microphones integrated into it for better noise cancellation and better transparency mode, okay? All right, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone, go to the Sony application for the headphones, and we're gonna turn this on, get it programmed on, and make sure there's no upgrades, no software updates that need to be updated for, and get it programmed on and get it set up. I'll be back in 1 second. Before we continue on and stuff, we'll talk about some of the specs real quick. So this does offer up to Bluetooth 5.3. I do have a newer processor in here, okay? So I have one of the newer processors here for better AI intelligence and stuff. So help with the noise cancellation, help with transparency mode, have 12 microphones built into it. That really helps out a lot with the transparent mode, really good. and stuff. So when you're out there using transparent mode, it works flawlessly out there in the real world environment and stuff. And, you know, you'll be able to hear real birds. You do continue on with your touches pad over here and on the side here, up and down, tap to pause, double tap to go to next track, 3 tap to go backwards, hold down to activate the voice assistant. The love is autoplay and auto pause. Okay, so right now I have Grammy playing in the background right now, my headphones, right? As you've seen, it's still playing, the timer is still going. So as soon as I take the headphones off, it's gonna pause by itself, like so, all right? And as soon as just a ear go on there, it's gonna resume. Off, on, off, on, automatically pause and play. Clutch, coming in handy every single time. All right, guys, another feature that I really enjoy about these right here is the auto switch. It works flawlessly. It does it automatically. It does it so smooth. So usually, you know, you do it Android to Android, Android to your laptop, or Android to Apple iOS. So real quick, here, perfect example. Right now I have $1 Million Baby pulled up on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I have a controller by Drake pulled up on S24 Ultra. I'm gonna do a quick little demo. So here it goes. All right, now I'm turning down. You know, it's coming from the actual iPhone. Turn back up. Okay, back up. All right. Pause that real quick. Now I'm gonna go to the 25 Ultra. Turn it down. It worked so fast, like literally so fast. As soon as you push play, you're back in there. Guys, the Sony M6 have definitely been an improvement from the M4s, M5 and stuff. And people might ask me the questions in the comments, are they worth the upgrade? And I would say if you're coming for M4, yes, no questions asked. This is definitely a super improvement for M4s. And then if you're coming for an M5, if you just got it last year, you might want to wait till the M7 come out. You might, but if you had that finger itching and your pocket itching and you had extra money, then yeah, go ahead and get it and stuff. 30 hours in battery life is still there, still rocking amazing battery life. 3 minutes to get you 3 hours of playtime if you forget to charge it up, which is still phenomenal. You have improved noise cancellation, improved transparency mode, and you have phenomenal sound quality. Overall, just phenomenal all around. And Sony really knocked this out of the park with his headphones and the quality and material. And this case design is really good. And like overall, how they did this, the presentation and the design of this one is just phenomenal. And I really appreciate, Sony bringing back the swivel design and, making everything just simpler and just perfect again. These headphones are phenomenal. And if it's the first time on my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And I'm MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time. Peace.